In a place like Miami Beach, where sunshine, ocean breezes, and outdoor living are part of everyday life, your home should feel just as open and inviting as its surroundings. One of the best ways to achieve this is by upgrading to modern patio doors. More than just a functional feature, patio doors create a seamless connection between your indoor and outdoor spaces, enhancing both your lifestyle and your home's overall appeal. One of the most noticeable benefits of patio doors is how they open up your living space. Traditional doors can feel limiting, but patio doors, especially sliding or French styles, create a wide, unobstructed transition to your patio, balcony, or backyard. This makes it easier to move between spaces and encourages you to take full advantage of Miami Beach's beautiful weather. Natural light is another major advantage. Patio doors are designed with large glass panels that allow sunlight to flood into your home. This instantly brightens your living areas, making them feel more spacious and welcoming. In Miami Beach, where sunny days are the norm, this added light can completely transform your interior, reducing the need for artificial lighting and creating a more uplifting environment. Patio doors also enhance the visual connection to your outdoor surroundings. Whether you have a view of the ocean, a pool, or a landscaped patio, large glass panels frame these views beautifully. This connection makes your home feel larger and more integrated with the outdoors, creating a relaxing and cohesive atmosphere. Ventilation is another key benefit, especially in a coastal climate. Patio doors can be opened wide to let in fresh air, allowing natural breezes to flow through your home. This not only improves comfort but also helps reduce reliance on air conditioning during milder days. The ability to enjoy fresh air while maintaining a stylish and functional space is a major advantage for Miami Beach homeowners. For those who love to entertain, patio doors make hosting easier and more enjoyable. They create a natural flow between indoor and outdoor areas, allowing guests to move freely. Whether you're hosting a casual gathering or a larger event, the open layout helps your home feel more spacious and accommodating. Modern patio doors are also designed with energy efficiency in mind. High-quality glass and insulated frames help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping cool air inside and heat outside. In Miami Beach, where keeping your home cool is essential, this can lead to improved comfort and lower energy costs over time. Durability is another important factor. Coastal environments can be tough on home materials due to salt air, humidity, and strong sunlight. Today's patio doors are built with weather-resistant materials that can withstand these conditions while maintaining their appearance and performance. This means less maintenance and longer-lasting value for your home. Security is often a concern when it comes to large glass doors, but modern patio doors address this with advanced features. Reinforced glass, strong frames, and multi-point locking systems provide reliable protection without sacrificing style. This allows you to enjoy the openness of your space with confidence. Style and customization options make patio doors even more appealing. From sleek sliding designs to elegant French doors, there are options to match any home aesthetic. You can choose frame colors, finishes, and glass styles that complement your interior and exterior design, creating a cohesive and polished look. Ultimately, patio doors are more than just an upgrade, they're a lifestyle improvement. They bring in natural light, improve airflow, and create a seamless connection between your indoor and outdoor spaces. For homeowners in Miami Beach, investing in patio doors means embracing the best of coastal living. With the right design and installation, you can enjoy a brighter, more open home that truly reflects the beauty and energy of your surroundings.